Hello friends, welcome to Vidya Mandir classes at Fliplearn. Vidya Mandir classes provides detailed test analysis report for each test of each student. Let me explain it step by step. Step number 1, you go to the website www.vidyamandir.com. You will press this login tab. On pressing this login tab, you will be asked to key in your login ID and password. Once you do it, you will be landing on this page which we call as dashboard. On this dashboard, you can see the test which the students have appeared in, and on the right hand side, you can see the view result tab. Once you press this view result tab, you will be landing on this page. Here we have displayed a scorecard for the exam 2018 JEE Mains 13B. Now let me tell you what all features we have put up in this report. Point number 1, you will be getting the total marks that the child has scored. So the child has scored 31 out of 360 marks. He has got 56 correct and minus 25. This is the negative marks that he has got. So on the basis of this, the accuracy is 35.9%. Here you can see the green color shows the correct answers, the orange shows incorrect ones, and the blue one shows the unattempted questions. Here you will see the time which is taken by the child to complete the test. He has spent 148.97 minutes out of 3 hours, that is 180 minutes. So you can understand that the child will be getting the accuracy and the speed so that he can improve with each passing test. Also at the bottom of the page you will find these remarks which tell you about the weak topics of the child on the basis of this test and the strong topics of the child on the basis of this test. Now let us take a look at the subject wise report. Now in the subject wise report, you will see in chemistry his rank is 908. You can see that we have divided the question in terms of hard, easy and medium. Now likewise you see in hard there were 6 questions, 3 questions were unattempted, 1 question is incorrect and 2 questions have been attempted correct by the child. Likewise you can check for easy, likewise you can check for medium. Similarly you can look at the rank for mathematics, you can look at the questions attempted for hard, easy and medium sections. You can see what the topper has got. The topper has got 120 marks, average 4 marks positive and minus 12 as negative. Similarly in physics you can check up the hard, easy and medium part and how much marks that the child has obtained. If we go to individual question report, first of all you can see 3 is green colored, which means that the child has attempted question number 3, question number 6, this 8 which is marked red means that this question is marked incorrect, right. So you can have a question wise analysis, the question is given, the choices are given and the detailed solution is also given over here so that the child can do the test analysis in terms of what is the right way of doing the question by himself. Now let us compare the result of your child with the topper. So this is your performance and this is the performance of the topper. There were total questions 90, maximum marks 360, your child has secured 31 out of 360, whereas the topper has secured 342 marks out of 360. You have attempted 39 questions, marks secured 31, this child has attempted 88 questions, marks secured 342. Correct 14, here correct is 86, incorrect 25, here incorrect is only 2. Now let us check up the all India rank that the child has got. Now the first ranker is Muhammad Ali Rehan with the net score of 342, right? Now these are the toppers in this particular test. So likewise you will be getting a detailed analysis of all your tests so that you can understand that you have to focus on your weak areas. You have to understand that attempting the question paper is an art. You have to attempt hard question in a different manner with a different attitude. Same way, easy questions and medium level questions require an altogether different attitude. With this level of test analysis, we are sure that you can improve with each passing test and ensure your success in IITJEE exams. Thank you.